Welcome to TechInsights Chips Unpacked, your trusted source for the latest insights into the global chip market, technology trends, and supply chain developments. In today's episode, we explore two major geopolitical shifts affecting the semiconductor industry. First, the looming 50% U.S. tariff threat on European imports, and second, Taiwan's latest export curves targeting China's semiconductor giants, Huawei and SMIC. Both moves could reshape market dynamics, supply chain strategies, and national technology ambitions in ways the industry cannot ignore. Let's dive in. On May 23rd, 2025, the White House shocked many by announcing a 50% tariff proposal on all goods imported from the European Union, a move tied to long-standing disputes over agriculture and energy. But what does this mean for the semiconductor and computing sectors? According to TechInsights analysis, the direct impact on the computing industry may be limited. That's because the EU isn't a major supplier of core semiconductor products to the US. Instead, the bulk of critical components, like processors, memory chips, and advanced displays, come from Asia, particularly Taiwan, South Korea, and increasingly China. Even for computing systems assembled in the EU, many parts originated in Asia before final integration in Europe. However, there is an important caveat. If these tariffs become real, they could lower business confidence and slow technology investment across both regions. Companies may delay purchases, pause cloud and data center expansions, or rework supply chains to avoid tariff risks. The good news? For now, the tariff threat remains just that, a threat. Implementation has been delayed until at least July 9, 2025, but the uncertainty alone is a weight the market must bear. Meanwhile, across the Pacific, Taiwan has taken decisive action against China's leading chip players. As of June 2025, Taiwan formally restricted exports of crucial semiconductor manufacturing tools and technologies to Huawei and SMIC, companies central to China's tech ambitions. What makes this restriction especially impactful is Taiwan's dominance in areas like silicon wafer production, advanced packaging, and chip-making equipment. While the US and the Netherlands have already banned the sale of leading-edge lithography tools to China, Taiwan's move covers additional steps in the chip-making process, including wafer cleaning and etching tools essential for high-end logic chips. For Huawei, which is pushing to regain leadership in smartphones and AI chips, and for SMIC, which fabricates those chips, Taiwan's export controls represent a real bottleneck. China's domestic semiconductor industry has made progress, but it remains dependent on foreign expertise for its most advanced processes. These new restrictions will likely delay China's technological self-sufficiency goals by several years. So, what does this all mean for the semiconductor landscape? First, US-EU tariff tensions, while unlikely to directly disrupt chip supply, are adding uncertainty to an already fragile global trade environment. Companies may hedge their bets by diversifying supply chains or delaying large investments. Second, Taiwan's export curves strike directly at China's technological rise. These controls reinforce the US-led effort to limit China's access to critical chip-making technology, and they complicate Beijing's goal of reducing reliance on Western supply chains. For the rest of the world, including chip makers in Taiwan, Korea, and the US, this could mean stronger demand as China's capabilities stall. And for TechInsights clients, these developments underscore why real-time analysis of technology shifts and supply chains is more critical than ever. To stay informed, visit TechInsights.com for the latest teardown reports, market forecasts, and platform insights. That's all for today's TechInsights Chips Unpacked. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll break down the latest advancements in AI chips and advanced packaging technologies. Don't forget to subscribe and visit TechInsights.com for more expert analysis. Until next time, keep your insights sharp.